guys, I didn't think I'd do a title for this video because I've got membership. I actually haven't been on my account. I just went for shower after my auntie got me it. So yeah, my auntie got me this membership and I'm really excited. We're gonna go on and get it. Oh, this is me nude. Okay. Okay, let's open the first one. I get the goat bundle. A goat. I'm just gonna go through these. Yeah, I got 6 months. Shush, please. I love you too, but yeah, shush. 75 diamonds! Sorry guys, I get really excited. So, I'm just gonna go through these really quickly. I'm getting all the goat stuff, goat set. Oh, guys, I'm gonna pause this. Okay, I've earned a new goat pet, so let's customize this. Daddy's gone. He's just going out, Dahlia. Courtney's upstairs. Go see Courtney. Sorry, that's my sister. I want to make this so cute. It looks like a dog now. I like that. And so this is my goat. So yeah, we're gonna click next. Hello. We're not gonna make it any name, so I never do. Alright. So if you can hear Ben and Holly in the background. So yeah, I'm a member. Congratulations. More. Say now. Yes, I'm a member. Yes. And guys, can't you believe this? They've added straw hats back in stores and loads of items which I don't think they should have. So yeah, I can collect all the new item Mondays, everything. So we're gonna first dress my goat. Here we go. Oh yeah. My sister's watching Ben and Holly, by the way. So check. Yeah. Let's dress my goat. I'm gonna pause this part, you'll see it. So this is my goat! Yeah, sorry, I was loud at that point. Let's see what special moves. Oh, it's so cute! Let's check the set. Oh, okay, let's go to the diamond shop, yeah? I will spend some of my gems on masterpieces, but I'm going to buy 2 animals, and that's all. See ya. Yeah. Here's my membership. Yeah. Oh, I don't want a saber-tooth. I don't really want any of these animals, except I need a bird. We'll buy a flamingo and call it. Yeah, I never do names. It's weird. Yeah. The next animal I'm going to buy is an Arctic wolf. For me, that's my main animal. What I always got to buy. I'm going to buy one more animal because I feel like it, and I need to celebrate today, which is a. What's it? I'm just going to double check if there's any other animals I want. No, it's going to be a snow leopard. Yeah. So yeah, these are the animals I got. I got 49 left. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to dress all these and I'll see you once I've done. Here's my first look with my snow leopard. Yeah. My Arctic wolf. And my flamingo. So, yeah. Guys, I think I'm going to end it here. I'm super happy. I'm a member now. I can do... I can't even talk. I can get all the good stuff. Like, I got this Winter Palace. So yeah. I love it. I'm so happy I'm a member. So guys, it was so difficult being a member, if I've got to say. My main look will probably be this Arctic Wolf. This is going to be my main look. So yeah, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. But first I'm going to decorate my den, then I'll end. So yeah. So guys, here's my den. Just some boring stuff. Yeah. I don't think you'd care. So guys, that's the end of my video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I probably will do a video when I get inspired from my member. So, that's the end, and good.